Here in the basement to WTC Mall. I just go to the Spanish, but I pass by here and pop and play. This is the indoor playground of kids. When there is kids, every day they have every weekend they have what do you call this, birthday celebration here. Usually the celebration of the kids is celebrating here. Okay, they have a nice it's more expensive. Pop and play WTC Mall. Because they have a nice playground here, indoor playground. This is the name, Pop and Play. See, they have a nice usually when the kids 1 year old is celebrating here. This is for small kids playground. They have a nice playground, indoor playground.